do you think that drivers or like can drivers kick out passengers or deny them for any reason?
So as long as the reason why you're declining the ride doesn't infringe on somebody's rights, so for instance, you don't want to deny somebody because of their race or their gender or their religion, sexual orientation, things of that nature. You have the right to decline passengers because you don't feel safe or because you don't, want to take a particular trip for any non-discriminatory reason. We encourage drivers to speak up if they don't feel safe. You have rights to protect yourself, and if the companies were to deactivate you for that reason, I think that you'd have a claim that you'd possibly want to bring through the arbitration process. Of course, we should tell you that reactivation after you've been deactivated is very difficult. So you don't want to be too liberal when it comes to declining rides for petty reasons. I would reserve that right for truly dangerous situations where you feel that your safety is at risk.
Yeah. So do you think if a passenger is, let's say, just super drunk, could that be considered a good enough reason to deny them? Or is that not at all
I think you kind of have to weigh the situation. If a passenger is being rude, you have to consider, is my safety at risk? Am I in a dangerous situation? If a passenger smells bad, that's probably not a reason to reject the ride. You have to really be honest with the situation and consider the passenger's behavior and decide, is this one of the times when I want to exercise my right to decline the ride? Because if you're just declining everybody, ultimately the company is going to say you're not adding value to our bottom line, and that may be your reason to let you go.